Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship, on behalf of J. Genie, Your Lordship, for the petitioner. He has some personal difficulties. He is out of station, Your Lordship. So matter may be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Therefore,
Petitioner on behalf of J. Genie, Your Lordship. Other side is the government, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Yes.
Your
After
Mr.
T. Tarin. Tau Tarin.
Appearing on, okay. Some is that the conducting counsel, Mr. J. Gini, some personal difficulties. Therefore, great for adjournment of the matter. For how many?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, on behalf of the Soki, Your Lordship, I have already taken the consent of the other side, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if this matter be taken after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Mr. Jimmy,
On behalf of the Soki, Your Lordship.
mentioned,
7.
appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Soki, Land Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Land Council for the respondent. Praise for listing this matter after 3 weeks.
There is an interim, Your Lordship.
List this matter after 3 weeks. Let's break, comma, list this matter after 3 weeks. Stop. There. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply.
Your Lordship, may I mention item number 22 for an adjournment? Yes, conducting counsel is out of station. I have taken the consent from other side also. Kindly this matter may be fixed after 2 weeks.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, I am for the petitioner.
Mr.
M. Kamo.
Kambo.
Yes. On behalf of Mr. Arsenal.
Hmm?
On behalf of Mr. Arsenal.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Sana, Land Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Land Council for the other side, praise for listing this matter after
2 weeks.
2
2
weeks.
weeks. Yes.
Prayer is allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 8, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in last occasion, my lord, the issue was raised for the mental health, my lord.
Hmm.
So I need some more time to go through the same, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
I am for the petitioner, my lord. Item number 8,
Okay. Mr.
M. Doji, my lord.
M. Doji, Land Council for the petitioner. Some steps, the issue of maintainability was raised in the last occasion. And he needs some more time to prepare on it. Accordingly, pray for adjournment for 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
Hmm?
Lordship, in this matter,
It is in order.
Yes,
See
Lordship.
the order, see the order and pass order. See the office note. What is there? What is
Lordship,
there?
we have to file affidavit in opposition.
Hmm?
We have to file in affidavit in opposition. So, Lordship, I
You are
need
for
some more
you are for the
time.
respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
I am for the petitioner.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes.
Okay. You are Mr.
M. Lago.
You have not yet filed affidavit. No.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
I need
M.
some.
Lego.
Yes.
M. Lego. Land Council for the respondent number.
Respondent number 1 and 2. 1 and 2, Lordship.
Okay. Hearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Praise for Father. How much time you say?
Lordship,
much time?
only
2
one
weeks.
respondent.
Only one
2.
respondent.
Yes. Sorry, Lordship.
Lordship, there is 2 respondent. 1 and 2. Mohina.
1 and 2.
Item 14.
Yes.
Hearing on behalf of the respondents, praise for Father 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. prayer allowed. Mister,
Lordship, I'm actually for the item number 15, Lordship.
Lordship,
So,
okay,
Lordship, also item number 15.
then, just a minute. This is item number, item
14.
14,
Yes.
whether the petitioner is present.
Yes, Lordship, I have taken consent. Yes.
Okay. Miss. Direct counsel for the petitioner is also present. As prayed for by the direct counsel for the respondent, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay, after 2 weeks.
Lordship, one more, item number 15 also. Item
Item-
number 15.
15,
Yes, Lordship. Same.
here you are for,
I'm for the respondent, sole respondent.
here I am appearing for the petitioner, Lordship. Item number 15.
so here, what is your prayer?
I need some more time to file affidavit in
Here also
opposition.
affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Similar prayer. 2 weeks,
Yes, Lordship.
okay, and any,
Lordship,
your good name?
interim order may be continued. I am B. Padung.
Okay. B,
Padung.
Padu, and counsel for the petitioner is also present. Here is prayed for, come and list this matter after 2 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day. Okay,
Oh, yes, Lordship.
So I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. The leading counsel could not appear today. Leading counsel could not appear today. Yes.
you're for,
I am body petitioner. I have taken consent of the PP, Lordship. Item number 10.
Hmm?
Item number 10.
10, you
Yes.
are for the
Petitioner.
petitioner,
Yes.
okay. What do you want,
2 weeks time may be given.
for what?
This leading counsel could not appear today.
Okay, you are Mr.
I am B. Padung.
Direct counsel, submitted the leading counsel. He is out of the session, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay. Is there any interim there?
Yes, that may be continued.
The interim or the, if any, shall continue till the next date. Okay,
Obliged.
May I, Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. Lordship, I have taken the consent of the other party for the adjournment for 3 weeks. Your Lordship.
You are
Miss Leah Kiche,
appearing on behalf,
on behalf of,
you are for the petitioner.
yes,
Okay, you, Miss, her name. Land counsel for the petitioner with the consent of the land counsel of the other side. Pray for listing this matter after 3 weeks. The prayer is allowed, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay,
much obliged.
May I even,
yes,
like to mention item number 13. 13.
it is in order. Let us see, well,
The council is having some personal difficulties. So
maybe,
they
but it is in order. Let us see the office note if there is any, the last order. Okay, we'll grant you adjournment, but wait for some time. Okay,
obligation.
My Lordship,
yes,
Lordship, I would like to mention one hearing item, Lordship, that is item number 20, Lordship. Today I have some difficulties, Lordship. It may be fixed on next week, Lordship. I have taken consent from the other side.
you are for,
I am for the respondent.
you have informed the petitioner.
Yes, yes. I have taken the consent.
Mr.
Elbam,
L. Baum, land counsel for the respondent number. How many respondents are there?
there is 2 Lordship.
You are representing.
Yes,
person.
I am representing.
Land counsel for the respondents. With the consent of the land counsel for the petitioner, prays for this matter. The submits that he has some, this is Mr. Swenson, land counsel for the respondents. Submits that he has some difficulties, personal difficulties today, therefore prays for adjournment of the matter for the day to be listed next week. He further submits that he has also obtained consent from the land counsel for the petitioner. In view of the above, let the matter be listed after a week. Okay.
Lordship, one more item, Lordship. Item number 8, Lordship.
Item,
8, Lordship. Oh, sorry, Lordship. Item number 9, Lordship. Sorry. Item 9, Lordship. Admission column, Lordship.
What do you want?
Lordship, for a week, Lordship, I have taken the consent, Lordship.
You are for?
I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Elbam, Lana Council for petitioner, with the consent of the Lana Council for the respondents. Prays for listing this matter after a week. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after a week. Okay,
All right.
If I may please, your lordship.
yes.
I'd like to mention item number 17. 17.
Yes.
I've been requested by the council of the petitioner, Your Honor, to take adjournment on their behalf today. I've been asked by them to take adjournment in this matter, Your Honor. I'm not a part of this case. However, I've been requested by the petitioner's advocate to take adjournment today. Maybe fixed
On
after
behalf of
2
the
weeks.
petitioner,
Yes, Your Honor.
Lana Council appearing, Lana Council on instruction. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Tetu Tava, prays for adjournment of the matter for
2 weeks.
2 weeks. They are not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Is this matter after 2 weeks? Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May it please, my lord. Item number 1 and 2 arise from the same FIR. my lord. My lord, may kindly have the FIR at page 12, my lord. At page 12, my lord would find the complaint, my lord. May I read, my lord, if it pleases, my lord?
Yes.
To the officer in charge, Chimpo Police Station. With due respect and humble submission, I beg to inform that I am the director of MS Revista Innovations Private Limited, and the said firm is usually engaged in the construction works which required lots of machinery such as JCB. As such, in the year 21, when the firm was engaged in the construction works being necessitated to hire some JCB machinery for smooth construction, had met the above mentioned persons and came to know that they provided JCB on hired basis, who had agreed to provide his JCB on hired basis and asked me to pay some advance money. Accordingly, after finalizing the deal verbally on dated 21/7/21, I had paid an amount of 4 lakhs only as advance payments through RTGS so-and-so to MS Akam Accessories. My lord, I am the proprietor of this MS Akam Accessories. Now, my lord, here, my lord, it is written that several telephonic conversations were made, but we didn't pay back. My lord, the case here is that, my lord, it is a case of civil nature, my lord. It arises out of non-payment of, my lord, that 4 lakh rupees. My lord, what happened in the case is that we suffered from certain losses in our business, because of which we could not pay the said amount on time, although we had made promises, my lord. Now, my lord, from that, my lord, the FIR was filed and sections 420, my lord, cheating was imposed upon us, my lord. Now, my lord, the problem in this case is that, my lord, we had already categorically told the informant that we are ready to pay. In fact, my lord, I have made a plea also in my petition, my lord, my bail application, that we are ready to pay that amount within a span of 6 months. We are ready to comply, my lord. There is no quarrel about it. We had taken the money to provide the JCB. It is an admitted position, my lord. Due to certain business losses, we couldn't pay it on time. If my lord kindly peruses page number, my lord, page 8, my lord, of the bail application, paragraph 13(1)(3), applicant is ready to return the amount in question, that is rupees 4 lakhs, to the informant within a period of 6 months. My lord, we are ready to return the amount. And my lord, my lord, I also suffer from a medical problem, my lord. I have a problem in my spinal cord, my lord, and I am undergoing electrotherapy. If my lord would kindly have page 25 for a moment. I was actually undergoing this electrotherapy when I was arrested on 12/5. Page 25 for a moment, my lord. Electrotherapy to be continued for next 180 days. So, my lord, from April, I was undergoing this electrotherapy because of my spinal problems and everything. Now, my lord, if I don't take this electrotherapy, my lord, I have this shiver problems, my lord. I suffer from a lot of problems. My lord, it is my, and I cannot use my hands also, my lord. That is why, my lord, I request that, my lord, bail may be granted, my lord. And my lord, we are ready to comply, my lord.
Now, whether have you approached the trial court?
Yes, my lord, we are already in prison, my lord. We are in prison, my lord. We are under custody, my lord.
No, what I'm saying.
Yes, my
Have
lord.
you approached the trial court?
No, no, my lord, this is our first bail.
Tribal by which court?
My lord, this is triable by my lord.
Magistrate only.
Yes, my lord.
Have you applied bail?
No, my lord, we have directly come
Why?
before this honorable court.
Why?
My lord, because my lord, this my lord, right now, my lord, we are undergoing this my lord, this medical problem.
That's why I'm saying. The same ground, on the same ground, why don't you apply bail application before the trial court? Trial court is JMFC, tribal only.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Then why you have directly come before this court without exploring
My lord,
or adjusting the
my lord is
remedy before the trial court?
Yes, my lord.
And there is
But this,
session court also. Why you have come directly before this court?
my lord, because of my urgency, my lord, I'm undergoing that medical problem, my lord, and we are ready to return the amount also, my lord. We have already categorically stated in one of our averments, my lord.
Maybe, but
Yes,
then
sir.
when there is a provision
Yes.
provided,
Yes, my lord.
approach before the
Yes.
lowest court, then
Yes.
why you have approached before this court?
My lord, because my lord, as per my humble understanding, my lord, there is no embargo to approach the Honorable High Court, my lord, in these cases. Yes, my lord, there is a remedy, my lord, to approach the Honorable Trial Court, but
Now, after this court reject, you will be nowhere there.
yes, my lord.
Hmm.
Directly we have come, my lord. 7 years, my lord, 420, section 420, 7 years of imprisonment, my lord. My lord, because my lord, this is not a case of criminal case, this is a civil case, my lord. A case of civil dispute.
When the accused was arrested,
My lord, I was arrested on 12/5, my lord.
12/5,
Yes, my lord.
you could have
My lord,
approached the trial court.
my lord, may I kindly seek liberty from this honorable court to kindly present two judgments of the honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Yes, what is that?
My lord, two, may I kindly? One is Sarabjit Kaur and one is Rikhab Birani. My lord, I have flagged the relevant portions. May I kindly read, my lord? Since, my lord, this is an offense of civil nature, my lord, this is a very recent judgment, my lord.
That I understand.
Yes, my lord. Since
But-
my lord, since there is no element of the case which has been filed, these cases have been filed, my lord. In these cases, my lord, the Honorable Apex Court has stated that these cases should not be filed. The police are misusing their power, my lord, because these cases should not be converted to a FIR, my lord. At most, they could have called the parties, my lord. NBW has been issued. I was arrested, my lord. That is my grievance, my lord. Since there is nothing in the case, the basis of the case is only itself wrong, my lord. Prima facie, it is made out. That is why, my lord, I have directly come before my lord.
Yes. Yes, adequately.
Yes, my learned friend ground is only a medical ground, but medical ground shows now he is stable. Now he is accused is stable, in stable conditions. Now he is fit and fine.
Stable.
Yes. So, your lordships, on the merit, here IO clearly integrated and apprehended the one persons. There are two accused. One is still evading arrest. And it is corroborating with the FIR. One is statement of this accused. So for the interest of the peer investigations, his custody and his accomplice, to ascertain the accomplice address, his custody is required. So at this point of time, this is a initial stage.
Anticipated bail.
Yes, Your Lordship. This is
The
a
co-accused is co-accused
Yes,
has
ma'am.
applied for
Yes, my lord.
granting anticipatory bail.
Yes,
Item 2.
yes, my lord. My lord, may I kindly say something, my lord? If it pleases, my lord.
No, my only question is why you did not approach? If you think that there is no case against the accused and it's a civil nature of case,
Yes, my lord.
could have approached before the line of CGM or the JMFC court, tribal with JM. He was produced before the JMFC only.
Yes, my lord. He
Then
was
could
produced
have
before the
approached.
honorable
So
JMFC.
JMFC knows what is the fact of the case.
My lord.
Would have considered your case, and in case your bail is rejected, like, then you can approach this court.
Exactly.
My
Your
lord, my
Lordship.
medical my lord,
First, the state court has to be
Hey,
exhausted.
medical, you see, now you are stable,
my lord, I am not
As per
stable,
the
my lord.
report.
I am not stable, my lord.
but
My lord, my current medical report, my lord, with due respect, my lord, page 25, if my lord has once, page 25, sir, please. My lord, I am undergoing electrotherapy. The
Yeah, we can-
earlier medical report of 21 says that now I am stable. That was 4 years ago.
now
That-
he is in the custody,
yes,
jail at Julie,
my lord, judicial custody.
judicial custody
Yes,
at
sir.
Julie only. So they have a doctor.
My lord,
Why
they
you
have,
should-
my lord, but electrotherapy facility is not there, my lord. I need electrotherapy. My hands shiver, my lord.
In that case, they'll take care of it.
My lord,
They'll take care of it. They'll, where you used to take this electro?
my lord, in Assam, my lord, Assam. Assam, my lord. So as I am from Assam. And my lord, with due respect, my lord, these kind of diseases, the doctor I was engaged that time, my lord, Mr. Obijit Paul, he is the one who was doing my therapy, and he is the one who should be doing it now also. I cannot suddenly change the doctor, my lord. This will again have cascading effects, my lord. With due respect, my lord. And I'm ready to comply, my lord. I'll pay that amount.
He was arrested on
12/5, my lord, 12/5, 10 days already in custody. We're ready to comply, my lord. Any condition, my lord.
see the progress of the case. You can call for the case diary.
Yes, case diary very required.
Mr.
Prakriti Sharma.
Prakritis Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application filed under section 483 of the BNS SS 2023. Praying for granted bail to the accused. What is the name of the accused?
My lord, Baljit Singh.
He is Baljit Singh Virdi. Baljit Singh Virdi.
Baljit Singh Virdi.
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 Virdi. VIRD. Who has been arrested in connection with Thimphu PS case number 86 for 2023 under section 420 and 34 of the 34 of Indian Penal Code 1860. Issue notice. Hold for the scanned copy of the case diary. Mr. Tadar, Learned additional PP. Since Mr. Tadar additional PP is present, no formal notice may be issued. So that. When do we list it? When can it be
My
listed?
lord, if it pleases, my lord, 4th of June, my lord.
As requested, come, that is matter will be listed again on 4th June. Okay.
My lord, item 2, my lord.
Hmm.
Same FIR, my lord, kindly interim may be granted till the next returnable date. We are ready to cooperate with the investigation. We'll appear, my lord, before the authorities. Please, my lord.
In this case, my submission would be, Your Lordships, this AB may be taken up together with item number 1 on 4th
Yes, my
June. No interim may be granted, so that joint
Okay. What according to you is the?
My lord, and
joint integration.
What according to you is the offense against the accused?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the alleged offense against the accused?
420.
420,
Yes.
non-return of the money.
Yes. Non-return of the money and
Does it
providing of
constitute
the.
a criminal case?
Yes.
Does it constitute a criminal case?
No.
Non-return of the money?
money, so
No. It's as a criminal ingredients.
Hmm?
It has a criminal ingredients
Where?
that they cheated.
no.
they cheated the complainant
How?
to provide JCB for a purpose.
For some
and-
reason, he has indicated that for some reason that could not be, and now he's ready to refund only. Then,
My lord,
Neither he is returning the money, nor he is providing JCB service.
my lord, one of the judgments.
As per
My lord, one of
their
the
agreement.
judgments that I had just provided some time back says that the breach of.
just a minute,
Yes,
just a
ma'am.
minute.
and
The
sitting on us.
FIR was also lodged on 2011.
Yes.
Now you says that you are ready to refund. Why you are not, what prevent you to refund?
My lord, business losses, my lord. I had some heavy business
Maybe,
losses.
but some amount to show your.
Rather, they are intimidating.
My lord, interim is provided to me. I will appear, my lord.
Start with, some amount could have been, refunded.
My lord is.
Yes,
So
matter
you
could be solved if
My
they
lord,
return the
on our
money.
date of appearance, my lord, if we have to appear also, within these days only we'll appear, my lord.
Now also nobody prevent you to give at least.
My lord, we'll
refund
pay some amount,
the-
we'll refund some
the other
amount.
accused person is still not, he has not yet been arrested.
Yes, my lord, we are ready to refund some amount.
Ready, you have to show it that
Yeah.
you are really ready to refund.
Yes, my lord, on the date we appear before the IO, we'll hand over some amount.
Now
Ah.
also, today also, you can, nobody prevent you to refund.
Yes, my lord.
If you show this
Yes,
by refunding some amount,
yes.
thereby you will be showing your bona fide and your sincerity that you are really.
Yes, my lord, we are ready
Refund
to. We are ready
You
to
have
pay
not shown
50,000
also.
rupees, my lord.
The
50,000
FIR
on
was
appeal.
way back in the year 2023
Yeah,
only, not
yes.
before gone.
That is our
Now,
mission.
now also you are saying that we are ready to refund, we are ready to refund. What is it?
My lord, my lord.
They
we are
could have
ready-
returned.
My lord,
very,
may I-
uh,
my lord, may I-
Refund and say that we have done and we are ready to do others.
My lord, we are ready to refund on the date of appearance, my lord. We are ready, my lord, with any
Why
condition.
not now? Why not now? What?
Now, my lord, now. Any condition, my lord. We'll do it now.
Any condition that, what is the interest of the court?
Interim
My
will,
lord, non-billable
Well,
warrant of issue has
You
been.
have,
Interim will
since-
prevent-
Since the money was taken way back in 2021, and an FIR was those immediate, in the year 2023. Now also you are saying ready, but then not done anything.
My lord, I will be arrested,
then-
my lord. A non-billable warrant of issue has been issued against me at page 20, my lord.
Co-
By the honorable J.
co-accused is-
No, my
co-
name is
co-accused
also.
is there.
My senior is completely misleading, my lord. My name is also there, my lord.
This-
NBW has been issued against me. My lord, NBW has been non-billable warrant.
Charge it file.
No,
No,
not file, my
no,
lord.
no.
My lord, would kindly have page 20, my lord. My name also appears in the order, my lord. Non-bailable warrant of arrest has been issued. If today, my lord, I appear before the authorities, they will arrest me, my lord. I am saying, my lord, I will pay the amount.
This is recently only 25.
Yes, my lord, this is 27/3/2024.
FIR was filed way back in 23.
NBW has been issued recently, my lord.
Yes.
That is
What
why,
prevented you since 2023?
Because
25?
they,
My lord, business losses, my
they
lord.
refuse to
2 years.
accept the
my lord,
You are
for-
given a-
my lord,
41
there
rupees.
my lord, there should be no interference.
They
I
refuse
didn't
to accept
interfere
the
when my
41
friend was
A
arguing.
One by one.
My lord, my friend is interfering whenever I am arguing.
But why you are arguing?
My lord, I just want
When
to
you
draw
are
the
arguing,
attention of this
Why
court
don't
to.
you stop?
My lord, I just want to draw the attention of this honorable court to the fact that non-bailable warrant of arrest has been issued against me. I am saying I want to appear before the authorities, pay the amount and everything. Till then, I may be protected, given some interim
This is
protection.
now only, just wait.
Yes.
Now listen. This NBW was issued only in the March 25.
Yes, my lord.
What I'm saying is money was taken in the year 2021.
Yes, my lord.
And since you did not pay, you did not reply,
Yes.
it was tweeted, you have cheated.
No, no,
And then FIR was those way back in the 2023 or
no,
23.
I had promised.
It was 2 years
My
gone.
lord, I had told them that give us some time, we'll pay. We had told them, my lord, categorically. However, my lord, it was done verbally, nothing on
You are
written.
not
That was our
showing any
mistake, my
interest.
lord. Because of that, I am suffering today. We are ready to pay, my lord. Several phone
Please,
calls we
please,
had.
don't say ready to pay.
Yes,
No more, please.
yes. Sorry, my lord. Sorry. My lord, I just request this
It
honorable
does-
court
it
to
doesn't
protect.
suit according to the fact and circumstances.
Yes,
of the case.
Yes.
You have not done anything and now you are saying that.
may I-
However, my lord, the honorable apex court has observed that mere breach of
That is there, that
contract
is
does not amount to
That
cheating.
is there, but whatever may be, but then FIR laws, and then it is initiated, and you have done nothing. You were waiting for something, that let them file money suit. What is this?
My lord, I am sorry,
Wait,
my,
wait, huh?
yes.
This was filed by this order 27-3. In the, okay, the IM made prayer for issuance of NBW against you.
Yes, my lord, that is my grievance.
Both or
Both, my lord,
okay,
my
the-
brother
the
and me.
present
dear brother.
accused person was arrested
Yes,
in execution of the NBWA.
Yes. yes, my lord, he has been
Okay, what was
arrested.
the issue? Okay,
Yes.
in execution of the
Yes,
NBWA.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so now,
Now I will be also arrested. I am saying, well, I want to pay. If I am behind the bars, how can I pay? Simple logic, my lord.
why can't? Payment can be done through anyone, through online. You don't have to appear.
My lord,
You got to-
My
take
lord,
case
with due
and-
respect, my lord, I will only have to make my payment. Today's world, nobody will
That-
make my
that-
payment.
That
my
would have
lord.
been a good ground for the court also to grant that he is ready to pay. Why don't you?
Yes, my lord. Please, my lord, I am ready to play. Please, my lord. Interim may be given. I want to appear, my lord. I want to finish this, my
just-
lord. Please.
Okay.
I am Sarabjit Singh.
Okay.
Yes.
So he refused to accept the notice also, notice of the police also. It's very difficult. Okay, this is Mr.
Prakitish Sharma.
Your Lordship,
Prakriti Sharma.
may I submit
Yes.
for few minutes? Your Lordship, may kindly see page 18. Page 18.
What is that?
This is a forwarding of arrested accused persons
Yes, my lord.
and prayer for 3 days police remand. Last para. Subsequently, a notice under section 41A CRPC was issued on 31st January 2024 to both accused persons, directing them to appear before the investigation officer on or before 20/2/2024. Despite the notice being duly served, the accused failed to comply or furnish any justification for their non-appearance. A second notice under section 41A CRPC was issued on 18/3/2024, which was written with the remarks refused to accept. Furthermore, when Sri Sarabjit Birdi, now instant applicant for ABA, was contacted over phone, he was duly informed about the case and directed to cooperate. Despite all effort, both accused persons willfully failed to join the investigation, thereby obstructing the process. Thereafter, NBWA issued. And Honorable Apex Court says, when NBWA issued after serving of notice, then anticipatory bail is not maintainable. May I submit the Apex Court judgment? Srikant Upadhyay and others versus State of Bihar and another. Decided on March 14, 2024. Para 25.
Yes,
Just 1 second.
you have refused also. You could have
It
gone
is
to the
in para
police and
25.
explained that this is a civil matter, I am ready to pay.
My lord.
But you even refused to accept the notice issued by the police.
My lord,
Para 5, it's
police was in.
it says, Apex Court says, we have already held that the power to grant anticipated bail is an extraordinary power. Though in many cases it was held that bail is said to be a rule, it cannot by any stretch of imagination be said that anticipatory bail is the rule. It cannot be the rule, and the question of its grant should be left to the councils and judicious discretion by the court, depending on the fact and circumstances of each case. While called upon on exercise the same power, the court concern has to be very cautious as the grant of interim protections or protection to the accused in serious cases may lead to miscarriage of justice and may tampering or destruction of the evidence. We shall not be understood to have held that the court shall not pass an interim protection pending consideration of such application as the section is destined to safeguard the freedom of an individual against unwarranted arrest. And we say that such order shall be passed in imminently in fit cases. At any rate, when warrant of arrest or proclamation is issued, the applicant is not entitled to invoke the extraordinary power. Certainly, this will not deprive the power of the court to grant free arrest bail in extreme, exceptional cases in the interest of justice, but then persons continuously defying orders and keep absconding is not entitled to such grant. This is the position of the Supreme.
My lord, but the basis of the
Still-
FIR is
still of the-
totally wrong.
Mr. Prakriti Sharma, Bharat Council for the.
I will provide this judgment just a moment.
This is an application filed under section. This 482. DNS, DNSS.
May it please, my lord. May it please, my lord. My lord, can I say just something, my lord? Just 1 minute, I'll take court's honorable time, my lord. My lord. Yes, yes, my. My lord, to a counter to what my learned friend had just submitted, my lord, the judgment. I also have one judgment, my lord. Bhodresh Bipani Seth versus State of Gujarat, which says that, my lord, issuance of non-bailable warrant does not automatically disqualify a person from seeking anticipatory bail. The nature and gravity of accusation and the conduct of the accused are important considerations.
Okay.
Court emphasized that anticipatory bail should not be denied solely on the ground that an NBW has been issued. My lord, this judgment also squarely covers me. I can also provide a copy of the judgment, my lord. And my lord, it was further observed that it is a settled position of law that the mere issuance of a non-bailable warrant does not automatically disentitle an accused from seeking anticipatory bail. In Bhodresh Bipani Seth versus State of Gujarat, the Honorable Supreme Court held that powers under 438 CRPC is not curtailed solely due to issuance of an NBW. The court emphasized that anticipatory bail can be granted even after issuance of an NBW,
Okay.
depending on the facts and circumstances. I am deeply obliged.
Your citation is
Yes, I can give you.
which year?
Section 482.
Sir will also provide. I will also
Which
provide.
year?
Of the BNSS.
24.
2023. Seeking
Yours-
I've also
Same thing.
pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in
Huh?
connection with Chimpu PS case number 86, 2023, under section 420 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. The case of the petitioner is that one Mr. Ribad Zambo lodged a written FIR before the OCPS Chimpu police station. OC, Chimpu police station.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
District of Pampare, inter alia alleging therein that Then he paid a sum of rupees 4 lakhs to the alleged accused persons. This was paid to whom? The applicant?
My lord, this was paid in the account of, this is a firm, my lord, MS Akam Accessories. It was, and the proprietor is the accused of the first case.
No.
My lord, Baljit's account. It was
Okay,
paid to
and this
Baljit.
one?
He is also an associate, my lord. And in fact, my lord, he is not even the proprietor.
Elder brothers,
Elder brother, but he's not the proprietor.
but associate.
Okay, elder brother.
Elder
elder
brother,
brother,
but he is not the proprietor, my lord. Money was not given to his account. The account belonged to the firm, my lord. It's a firm, MS Akam Accessories. He's not even directly involved in the case.
Which account? It was
My lord, account, my lord would find that page, my lord, 12, my lord.
No, which account?
Yes, my lord, I will read.
What is the name of the farm
Okay, my lord.
against which the,
Yes, my lord.
Amount.
MS M/S Messrs
okay,
Akam Car Accessories.
deposited a sum of rupees 4 lakhs in the account of the, what is the name of the farm?
M/S
Yes.
Akam
The farm-
Car
farm
Accessories.
belong to the MS. Where do we find?
My lord would
MS
have it at
Account-
page
Account
12,
Car
my lord.
Accessories.
Yes.
MS car accessories. Okay, this person is not the Baljit Singh.
My lord, Baljit Singh is the proprietor,
Okay.
and
he
here
is-
I am just the
and
associate.
Sarvajit.
Yes, Sarabjit.
This was paid for providing
JCB.
JCB, for providing JCB on higher basis.
Yes, my
So, however, the accused failed to provide team JCB as agreed. Is there any written agreement
No, my lord, there is no written agreement, nothing, my lord.
as agreed?
But admitted fact that
Admitted.
money,
We also admitting, my lord, we also want to repay. Why should I keep their money, my lord?
money was paid to both brothers.
No. Proprietor will be
Advance
liable.
to both brothers.
No, he is an
It
associate.
is there
Please,
in
sir,
the
don't
report.
misguide.
It
Please
is
don't misguide.
there in the
No,
FIR.
no. Please, sir, don't misguide. With due respect.
It is there in the FIR.
No,
From the report.
no. The proprietor, please. The proprietor's account, proprietor is liable. He's just an associate. Please, sir.
And
I'm on the report.
No, please, sir. Please.
however,
I'm also on the record.
however, instead of providing JCB, the accused person started threatening and intimidating him of dire consequences. Based on the above, looking at fire, the above, the aforesaid police station the PS case number 86/2023 was registered. So the land council for the petition submits that. The case, the allegation against the accused person is of civil nature. However, after registering the case, the police has issued notice and civil nature, and the accused is ready to repay the amount to the informant. However, since the police has already registered the case and issued notice upon the accused, and also the court on 27/3/2025 issues non-variable warrant of arrest against the accused. He has a reasonable belief that he apprehension that he reasonable apprehension that he may be arrested by the police in connection with the above police case and cause unnecessary harassment. Hence, this application for granting the arrest of staff. Issue notice. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Staff. Mr. Sado appear on behalf of the state, additional PP appear on behalf of the state respondent staff. This matter on
Fourth, my lord. My lord,
okay,
interim
fourth.
protection till the next returnable date, my lord, please, my lord. Please.
This AB date may be fixed.
Fourth, my
Um,
lord.
no,
Interim may kindly be given, my lord. I want to
Some
operate, my lord, please.
other day, because earlier it may be.
in the meantime, come on. Till the return, in the meantime, it is provided that in the event of the accused applicant is being arrested in connection with the above PS case number 86/2026, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of bail bond of 1 lakh with 1 surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority with the further condition that he shall cooperate and appear before the eye of the case as in when called for. And that he shall not hamper or tamper with the evidence of the case in any way. Okay. List this matter again out for. Okay.
4th of June, my lord.
Obligor.
I am deeply obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
My lord, item number 3 is regarding an petition under 528 for quashing of the FIR, and item number 4 regarding an anticipatory arising out of the same FIR, lordship. FIR in the petition number 93 is item number 3. So for anticipatory bail, we are on interim bail, lordship. According to the direction of the court, we have appeared before the IO, gave our statement.
The item 4 is AB and it's
And item 3, both are same FIR, lordship.
same FIR.
Yeah, lordship. One is for quashing and one is for anticipatory bail, lordship.
And anticipatory bail already granted to you.
Yeah, interim bail is granted, lordship.
Interim,
Okay. So,
Interim bail.
yeah, lordship.
Okay.
FIR starts at page 17, lordship.
Item three,
four.
item 3 is for.
your lordship may first take up item number 4, your lordship. Item number 4 is for anticipatory bail.
CD has received most probably. So first, this is on admission part, lordship, this criminal petition under 528, lordship, item number 3.
Okay, you are protected by the
Interim order.
interim. What happened thereafter, after granting interim?
We have appeared before the IO within 7 days as directed by this court.
Okay, then what?
We have been released on bail,
Release
on
it.
interim bail. And now it is for the pending for perusal of the CD and final orders, lordship. And this criminal petition is pending for admission, lordship, issuance of notice. Lordship is taking up the, looking at the bail
AB,
petition,
AB. And is it-
maybe then our FIR is at page 12, lordship. This is an FIR registered under 468, 420 and 471, lordship, with an allegation that some fake GST bills have been issued. I have a submission to make, lordship. Once a GST bill has been issued, it cannot be a fake. It has to be issued in a government portal. Definitely bills have been issued in the government portal. This may be a case that non-submission of tax, non-deposit of tax by the purchaser. I am a CA by profession. I am no way connected, neither a seller nor a buyer. The
Yeah,
informant
this FIR was lodged by whom?
lodged by one Ajit Ripuk. He is a client of mine, while I had a CA office at,
You are basically chartered accountant.
yes, Lordship, this is
Alleging
the
what?
first paragraph, Lordship.
What is the allegation against you then?
Then I have introduced some firms during the dealing with Lordship, during dealing with as a client for financial advice, etc. He brought some his friends that they want to purchase some cement, etc. So from Calcutta at the cheap rates, I have given simply referred that okay, these 3-4 firms or more firms are dealing with the Calcutta. You can talk to them. You can have your business dealings. That is my only offense here, Lordship. After introduction, I have some disputes with the informant
So
regarding share of the professional fees,
What the
Lordship.
report says? Is that
Your Lordship,
whether he is cooperating?
yeah, I'll just apprise Your Lordship that this is an FIR of 2023, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So meanwhile, since the accused was not cooperating, Your Lordship, we have been giving several notices. They have come up with this bail application, Your Lordship. After getting the interim, they have appeared before the IO. They have given their statement, Your Lordship, which does not tally from the allegation, and there is no specific statement with regard to the allegations.
But
The
whatsoever
investigation,
meant, but he has
yes, he
given
has
his
cooperated.
statement, police statement.
He has cooperated, Your Lordship.
Okay.
In that regard, with regard to the bail application, Your Lordship, since they are cooperating, Your Lordship, only the condition may be made strict with regard to that, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I also refer one thing, Lordship. Whatever the offense has been made,
So this may be made absolute.
Absolute with addition of some more
Okay.
grounds,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Mr. S.K. Poddar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. I've also had Mr. Jini, then additional PP for the state staff. That by an order dated 7/5/2025. Just a minute. Okay, by an order dated 7/5/2025. While calling for the record, the petitioner was granted interim anticipatory bail. With certain conditions.
Your Lordship, condition number 1 and 2 may be the same, Your Lordship. Since condition number 3, he was
Okay,
to
that-
appear
that-
before.
that in
I understand, I'll just.
obtaining interim anticipatory bail from the accused Mohit Bardia. Appeared before the IO of the case on when he appeared.
within 7 days.
The statement is recorded is flag mark is a blue flag mark, Your Lordship.
It is on the 12th, most probably, Lordship, if I'm not wrong.
For the IO of the case.
Most probably on 12th or 13th. On the 7th day, we have appeared, Lordship, as directed by this court. Gave our statement.
Statement on. Date is not given.
I'll just get.
Just a minute, and maybe in the status report. This status report was prepared on this date. Let me see. There also date is not given.
I'll just if I peruse.
Okay, in the case, there it will be reflected. He appeared. Okay, appeared on such and such date, death, and on his appearance, the accused was arrested by the eye of the case in connection with the
Your Lordship, his statement was taken on.
PS case number 0203/2023. And subsequently, on the same date, he was released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of a bail bond on the strength of the interim anticipatory bail granted on 7/5/2025. And after recording his police statement. Stop. Correct. While referring to the case that Ms. Jenny submits that after obtaining interim anticipatory bail from the accused cooperating appearing before the eye of the case. The cooperate in the eye of the case for further investigation of the case. Okay, so that should be 12/5/2025. And in view of that, further custodial interrogation of the accused may not be required. In view of the above, and as the accused is cooperating and appearing before the eye of the case, the interim anticipatory bail granted to the accused on 7/5/2025 is hereby regularized and made absolute with the following additional conditions. With the following conditions. Column 1. The petitioner. What more condition you want?
Your lordship, third condition, your lordship, may be deleted because there was a direction to appear him before,
Additional
within
condition.
7.
Direction to?
Third condition may be that he may appear before the investigation officer if and when
Okay.
deemed necessary and called for.
Okay, that the accused still cooperate and appear before the eye of the case, as in when called for. Okay. Next, that the petitioner, sorry, accused shall not tamper with the investigation of the evidence of the case in any manner. Next, the petitioner shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the fact of the case so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or to any police officer. Next. I think that's all.
No, your lordship, the
What-
third is, he may appear before the investigation officer if and when deemed necessary and called for, your
That
lordship.
has been
That is
given.
what-
That has been
first
given.
condition
First
I've
condition is
given.
given.
I've given.
And the third, the last is that there, the local surety, why? Because. your
That is the
lordship,
local surety already given, lordship. We have given a
no,
local.
there is no such order in
No, not surety, but the surety we have provided is a local surety, lordship.
no, there is only a bail bond of amount of rupees 15,000 was there, your lordship, but
Shall release on bail of
That's-
furnishing bail bond of so and so with one suitable surety.
yes,
They have furnished
We have
surety.
given the surety, lordship.
After furnishing surety only,
yes,
he was released.
yes. But then there is no bar on making a direction for local surety to,
No,
your
since
lordship.
he is cooperating, I think.
No, because
He is a chartered accountant.
no, he's not based here also, your lordship.
Maybe, but then.
But my request to this honorable court was because since 2023, this matter has been pending and only on he's not cooperating.
Not
with the
lordship, that is not true, lordship.
Just a second here. Only on his not cooperation with the investigation this year, 2025, he has come with a bail application, your lordship. Now, for the reason that the investigation officers has been given him the notices and when the notices were issued to his house, your lordship.
Now with the condition, if he failed,
Mm.
the police will always file for this. Mr. Cancel it.
Yes, but then there is all, yes.
Yes. He has an option. No problem. If there is any other condition you want with the above, his bail application stand disposed of. Okay.
Deeply obliged,
Okay,
lordship.
just a minute. Prior to that, this bail order shall be read along with the bail order dated 7/5/2025. with the above, this bail application stand disposed of. Okay, and then criminal petition.
Item number 3, Your Lordship.
Lordship, it may be admitted, we may be permitted, notice may be issued, Lordship. Because to our content submission, Lordship, no case, it is at the best, but the FIR disclosed may be offense under 132 GST Act, Lordship. At the best. That has already been compounded according to the admission of this informant, Lordship. He has served the notices, he has paid the penalty. I am no way connected, Lordship. It is the sellers who send the bills. It is the buyer who have brought the bills.
Mr. S.K. Poddar, current counsel for the petitioner, Para. This is an application filed under section 528 of the BNSS 2023. Praying for quashing of the investigation completed,
No, Your Lordship,
Oh,
the same
okay.
case.
quashing of the Itanagar PS case number. No, quashing of the FIR. of
203.
Itanagar PS case number 203 2023 under section 420, 468, 471 of the IPC, Indian Penal Code. Correct. Issue notice. Who is there? Okay,
State and the informant, Lordship.
okay. Hold for the scanned copy of the case diary. Start. Since Miss Lini appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. However, the petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent number 2 by the registered post which within a week from today. Stop. Please this matter after
6 weeks, Your Lordship.
6.
After summer vacation, Lordship.
After 6 weeks.
That will be after summer vacation.
After 6 weeks, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
after 6.
The-
Date may kindly
in the-
fix, Lordship,
in the
so that
date.
I can adjust
Hmm?
a date if Lordship please to fix a date. I can adjust my
Your Lordship,
schedule.
it
with
will
date.
automatically come because after 6 weeks, he had just given his statement on 12th. And then a scan copy of
Lordship,
the CDS
we'll-
being
we'll-
called for, Your
we'll-
Lordship. This is
Serve
Okay,
notice by
so-
tomorrow even.
After summer vacation. will be-
after summer vacation.
Lordship,
That case on 28th of April, Your Lordship.
Huh?
maybe on 25 of,
It will be June.
here is the summer vacation.
31st of July, Your Lordship.
July.
Yes.
It will be after summer vacation.
Yeah,
Yes.
Lordship, better, it will be better.
Okay.
I will not be,
Okay, as requested, let the matter of listed on 22 July,
maybe
30
25,
31st.
Lordship.
31st.
31st July, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
31st July,
Can it be 25, Lordship?
25 July.
On a
25
Friday- On a
is-
Friday, it is,
I understand, Your Lordship, but then as soon as
25 is Friday.
like,
yes,
it will be
it's a-
helpful for me.
Next-
it's an early date for, since there is a vacation, Your Lordship. The first week of the
Now-
vacation,
now-
it becomes difficult for
Entire
us to-
June month. you have.
Yes. I understand, Your Lordship, but then investigation
July.
is also at a very nascent
July,
stage.
okay. 30,
31st July, Your Lordship.
okay, 31st July.
Lordship,
Deeply
okay,
obliged.
Lordship, deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file fresh, Your Lordship.
Yes, I think you have to. Yeah.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have not made
Mhm.
victim as a party.
Mhm. Mr.
E. Menjo, Your Lordship. Eho Menjo.
Ghana counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this petition. This is quashing petition,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay. With liberty, no,
With liberty, Your Lordship.
okay. With liberty to file a fresh license, stop. Mr. P.H. Ghana ADPP is also present, stop. A prayer for comment. Sorry, the prayer of the petitioner is allowed, stop. This criminal petition is dismissed on being withdrawn with liberty as grateful. Okay.
Highly appreciated.
Obliged.
Yeah, Lordship, this is a criminal petition,
Yes.
jointly filed by the complainant and the accused person for forcing of the FIR dated 8th April 2001.
Now, who is the petitioner? Okay, who is this is joint petition.
Joint petition.
He was
Complainant is,
informant. Informant has lodged a complaint
yes,
on
he is
behalf of the government only, I think.
government, yes.
Hmm.
He was in
The theft and the damage or whatsoever, maybe it was caused to the government only, it appears.
no, he was in charge of
Can
the
he,
student.
can he represent?
Yes, my lord, here in the
He was-
FIR, it says clearly reflected that he was the in charge.
Yes.
And your lordship, I have also gone through the, your lordship, the record they have annexed even in the, this settlement deed.
Huh.
It has been clearly stated that the pipe has been recovered. It was allegation, pipe, water
Pipe.
pipe.
Recovered?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
So now they have entered into the agreement.
Huh.
And moreover, your lordship, this case is of
Only
2000.
one pipe was
Yes.
stolen.
Yes, yes.
That was also recovered.
Also recovered.
Okay.
And now they have settled the matter. And now, your lordship, one more aspect is that it is 2001 matter, your lordship.
Okay.
So it's a belated now, your lordship. So now, since they have actually, and earlier, your lordship, the case was registered under 379 actually,
Hmm.
which is compoundable.
Huh.
But only during the framing of charge, it was converted into 380, which is non-compoundable.
Okay.
So, your lordship, in my humble understanding, your lordship, it is a fifth case where this
Can be.
it can be, your lordship.
But then I thought because of.
Because it's
if
in
it-
charge, your
if
lordship.
It was recovered.
Yes, he was in charge, my
Ah.
lord.
Okay,
So if he is in charge, because government, your lordship, there is it's an organization, your lordship.
right.
It's the designations are there, person concerned are there, who has been
If he
given.
had in charge,
Yes,
then
your
he-
lordship.
he has the capacity.
Yes, if he was not the in charge, then definitely, your lordship, the
Right. That's-
concerned person ought to have.
If he was, if he was in charge.
He was the in charge, your lordship will find in the FIR itself, your lordship. In charge.
Type copy at page number 80.
Hum Pipe Stock WCG Subdivision for PWD, your lordship.
Okay, in charge, human pipe, okay.
Yes, your lordship.
So then,
And
so record need to hold more?
your lordship, in my humble understanding, your lordship, even record is not required. Why? Because your lordship, I am submitting, your lordship, because the order of the
Can be
learned.
disposed of.
Yes, trial court has already been annexed, your lordship. In
What?
annexer 4, your lordship.
What it says?
Here, your lordship, the 379 has been altered to 380.
Hmm?
Here, your lordship, the section 379, the page number, your lordship, 50.
50.
Yes, 50.
Okay, just a minute. Huh?
Yes, yes. Your lordship will find, your lordship.
Hmm.
Accused person so and so are present. Additional PP so and so, so and so. Learned additional PP in the present prayed for 379 IPC may be altered to 380. And prayed that the charge may be framed against so and so.
380, okay. And pray that charge may be framed.
Yes. So accordingly, it has been framed under 380, your lordship.
Okay.
And otherwise, your lordship, one more aspect is there, your lordship, that I overlooked. Section 34 is there, my lord.
Yes.
That is,
There are two persons.
yes,
Petitioner also.
Petitioner number 2 and 3 are the accused
Two.
person. Yes, 2
Okay,
and
okay.
3.
so
Both
then,
of them, okay.
then 34 is fine, your lordship.
Mhm.
Here, because of this section, because this has been framed under 380,
Hmm.
they have come before this court. Otherwise, 379 was compoundable, my lord. Then it would not be maintainable.
Let me take some fact of the case then.
Yes, your lord.
Okay, pardon, Mr. You are Mr.
I'm B. Padung.
B. Padum, Learning Counsel for the petitioner. I've also had Mr. T. Okay, Learning Petitioner PP for the state. Fact. This is joint petition filed under section 528 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksa Sanhita 2023 for quashing of the, it will be now GR case.
Yes, your lordship.
GR case number.
Where have you mentioned GR case?
GR case number 44 of.
Where have you mentioned in the court title? GR case number 44. Stroke 2000, yes, 2001 case.
Yes, Your Honor, very old.
Arising out of Nahalagan PS case number 37, stroke 2001 under section 379 IPC. So, fact, the petitioner number 1 is the informant. Who was in charge of the Hume, in charge of the Hume pipe stock. Hume pipe stock, WCG subdivision 4 PWD. Semicolon. The petitioner number 2 is the accused number 1. So just a minute. Write the name of petitioner number 1. P. Sala. Okay, then in the petitioner number 2, Nabum Tatum is the accused number 1, and petitioner number 2, Ms. Tadar Hilam is accused number 2. Stop. The earlier one is accused number 1. This is accused number 2. Stop. In GR case number, in PS case, GR case number 44 2011 arising out of Nahalagan PS case number 37 2001. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that on 8/4/2001, the petitioner number 1, who is the JE in charge Hume pipe stock WCG subdivision 4 PWD, lodged a written FIR before the OCPS officer in charge police station Nahalagan, inter alia alleging therein that on 8/4/2001 at 600 hours, the night chowkidar informed him that a miscreant and some unknown miscreant lifted the government property Hume pipe from which place? Borapani.
Borapani, Nahalagan.
So from PWD store yard at Borapani, near AP stock pipe CO. Stop. Here itself, he says that, however, observe that one number of Hume pipe so and so is lying near Lagam. These might have been, of course.
Yes,
This
Your
was
Honor.
recovered.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
it was recovered.
And Your Lordship will
Okay.
find in the settlement, Your Lordship, the
Okay.
fact also.
Okay, based on the above written FIR, based on the above written FIR, the police has registered the aforesaid Nahalagan PS case number 37/2001 under section 379 IPC. 379 IPC. Stop. On completion of investigation, the IO of the case, having found prima facie case found against the accused, has filed the case into charge sheet under section 370, same section.
Same section.
379, 34 IPC.
Yes.
And on receipt of the charge in the comma, the trial court framed charge against the accused. Trial court you can alter the section and charge against the accused under section. The charge, the frame charge against the accused under section 380, so 34 IPC. Now the trial is whether the
At the stage of
With-
appearance.
Charge has been framed, trial commence. Charge
any witnesses recorded? No.
No,
Someone was issued. Someone was.
someone was issued.
At the stage of appearance.
Process of use.
Next date is fixed tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
23
is it
5
fixed
to 20.
tomorrow?
Yes, your lordship will find in page 51. The latest order. Page 51. On 10 325, since PO leaves the answer, fix on PW number. 23rd.
Fixed on, so and so. Okay.
Now, your lordship, find the settlement, your lordship, 54.
Okay.
Page 54, your lordship. There, your lordship will find.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that. In the meantime, the both case has been mutually settled between the amongst the parties by executing a deed of mutual agreement on 10/10/2024. As per the agreement, what
Your lordship
is the
will,
relevance of the
second, your lordship, when you wear a second one on page 54, both the parties have settled the issue long back in the year 2001. Since the alleged stolen good pipe were
Where do
recovered,
we find that both the party, okay, party settled, okay.
yes,
Long time there,
yes, long time back.
okay.
This is the new settlement, however, your lordship, they have settled it earlier because they have a belief that it was the section 379, which is compoundable. For that, your lordship, the learned trial court can compound it when they come before the court and compound the same. But only because of the converting the section into 380, they have
Okay, then,
enter
before
into
that,
new
we
settlement.
have to insert one paragraph. No? The Lani Council for the petition submits that the case was charged against the accused under section 379, which is compoundable offense. Okay. And he further submits that the matter was already settled between the parties way back in the year 2001 itself. However, on receipt of the charge sheet from the Lanet court, the Lanet Chief Judicial Magistrate has converted the offense, converted the section 370 370 and frame charge against the accused person under section 380,
Yes. Yes.
380 IPC, which is not compounded.
Yes.
Hence, therefore, the petitioners filed this application for setting aside and question of the same order stuff. No, of the GR case, huh? Yeah, right, and GR case stuff. The Lanai Council for the petitioner submits that. Then that paragraph, in the meantime, the party has over and mutually settled that case out of court by and over and again execute settle the matter over and again by executing a deed of mutual agreement on 10/10/2024. Then it's further. Agreement letters. So do we need to reproduce this paragraph?
Your Lordship, it's not required, Your Lordship.
Which one needs to be?
Your Lordship,
Document.
the fact that Your Lordship that 379 and 380 which they have submitted,
Converted.
yes, that will suffice. And second part is, Your Lordship, when the party has entered into an agreement, Your Lordship, as per the Gyan Singh case, Your Lordship, if there is a remote and bleak chance of conviction, Your Lordship,
Okay.
then for ends of justice, the court may exercise its power under for 528, Your Lordship. Since and taking into consideration this settlement long time back in 2001, incident took place in 2001, Your Lordship.
Okay.
It will be futile exercise, Your Lordship.
So
Yeah.
we will refer the
Lakshmi Narayan case.
Lakshmi Narayan case.
Yes.
And then since the parties are in agreement, sorry, then you have no objection?
Yes, yes,
in
I have
view of
no
the- in view
objection.
of the- In view of the
Yes,
Lakshmi
yes.
Narayan case and in view of the fact in circumstance.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, full disposal.
Yes, Your Lordship. Okay.
Rest of the case.
Yes. Obliged, Your Lordship. Highly obliged.
This is, I think, disposal. Six. Okay. Okay, the council are present.
We have just been informed now, and therefore, since the matter was not listed, not listed, Your Lordship,
Now, okay.
the CD has not. been-
Council is present. What
My
is
lord,
this case about?
my lord, this anticipatory bail as application has become in practice since the alleged accused person is already arrested by the police and subsequently released on bail by the Larnet GMC UPI. So I may be allowed to withdraw.
You may be allowed to?
Yes, withdraw.
Hmm?
Withdraw
Withdraw why?
this application since the alleged accused person is already arrested by the police and subsequently the Larnet GMFC UPI is released on bail during the production.
This is an AB, Your Lordship. There was not, there was an interim order, but then I'm not sure. There is
Have
a,
a case study?
no, Your Lordship,
Okay,
since
no.
the matter was not.
Then in that case, probably, do you have the record
Yes.
that he was arrested?
No, no. Oh,
Then
I have a soft copy.
now what we'll do, Ms. JD, you just obtain instruction. And if he is cooperating, otherwise he has a soft copy.
No, Your Lordship,
If the accused is
no,
cooperating.
no, Your Lordship, his submission is that he was arrested and they had taken bail from the magistrate's court, Your Lordship, and therefore they want to withdraw the.
Okay, they are
Bail
taking bail,
Yes.
regular bail.
Yes.
Okay, also, Mr.
Entalin.
You are Mr.
Entalin.
N. Talim,
Yes.
Narayan Council for the petitioner, submits that. This, in view of the fact that the accused was arrested and subsequently released on bail in connection with, what is this base case?
His case is 60 of 2025.
In connection with the
Doimuk case.
Doimuk PS case number 60 of 2025. This AB has become infractious, therefore he wants to withdraw this bail petition. The English meaning is also present and has no objection in view of the law. This bail application is dismissed on being withdrawn. Okay.
Deeply operated.
Yes.
My lord, this make appeal is connected with the MSCT case number 1 of 2024, which has been dismissed by the learned motor accident claim tribunal Bomdila court. So we filed this make appeal.
Your claim petition was dismissed.
Yes, in Bomdila.
Okay. Ms. Dirilo, learning counsel for the applicant. Stop.
Finally, the notice may issue against respondent number 1.
This is an appeal filed under section 173 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. No, you said it dismissed. That's
Yes,
why it
it's
is for
dismissed.
enhancement. You
Yours
said it was dismissed. Where is
Yes.
the impugned order?
in page
If it is dismissed, how it is for enhancement?
page 13 to 22, annexure D.
It is 30,
13,
1-3.
yes.
Where is the operating portion? Dismissed. It
This
is
was dismissed by the trial court in Bomdila. Yes.
It was dismissed, no case. Then what is your case?
Lordship, the filing of this,
What is the ground for filing this appeal? By which? Just a minute. This is an appeal filed on section 173 of the Motor Vehicle Act. Against the judgment and order dated 7/4/2025. Passed in MSC case number 01/2024 by the member Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Bomdila. By which the claim petition filed by the appellant was dismissed. Back. Issue notice. Call for the record. But before issue notice, the appeal is admitted. Issue notice, call for the record. The appellant shall take steps upon the, how many respondents are there? Who are the
One.
Respondents,
1.
Only one.
Only one.
The applicant shall take steps upon the respondent by a registered post with ID as well as by usual process within a week from today. So this is matter after 5 weeks.
Highly of.
No, ma'am. May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, initially this application was filed on the ground that the offence under which the FIR was registered were bailable offence. So no doubt, your lordship, in my humble understanding, the initially the offences which under which the case was registered, they were bailable offence. But now, your lordship, in 2 occasions, the CD was called for, and now today we have received one, your lordship, this communication from the concerned officer that, your lordship, the case has been culminated into charge sheet, and in charge sheet new sections has been added 27A, which is non-bailable.
Okay.
And read with section 3(5) of the BNSS common intention and section 29 as well. So now 27A capital A, when it is inserted, now automatic the rigor of section 37 of the NBPS comes. So now, your lordship, the petition which the learned council has filed earlier, it was not on that aspect.
Okay.
Because it was not inserted. Now charge sheet has been filed. So my, your lordship, at this stage, the humble submission would be, let them approach the trial court first, or let them withdraw it and file afresh, your lordship.
I think you have to withdraw in that case because now the status of the case has changed.
This is the, your lordship, report of the this concerned officer. Otherwise, your lordship, earlier the offences under which the FIR was registered, well, no doubt bailable one, your lordship.
It was under section 20B.
27A, my lord. Initially, your lordship, it was registered under
section 21A.
21A and 27A. The punishment prescribed is, your lordship, below 3 years.
Mr.
In this circumstances, lordship, already the main accused from whom the
No, that is but
substance was, contraband has been
recovered.
recovered. He has been
Recovered. They have been granted bail, and the
We'll
CSP
grant-
runner,
we'll
they
also
also.
grant, but they need to file appropriate application.
Your lordship, actually,
in the present status, because had this charge sheet filed against him also.
Yes.
At that time, he would.
Lordship, even if
Yes,
I,
absolutely.
Lordship, even if I withdraw and file new petition, only the section has
Yeah,
to be
that-
added.
that-
That grounds will be same.
Because the status has changed.
Yes.
Status of the case has changed. Now case has already been charged.
Now he has to overcome 37.
Yes, he
Rigor
has
of
to overcome the
section
30
37.
section
Reasonable
37 now.
ground to believe that he is not guilty of the offence. And second time, while released on bail, he will not again commit the offence.
In view of the case having been already charged sheeted, Mr. What was I forgot your name? Okay, M. Then counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this bail application with liberty to file afresh. Mr. Addition PP is also present and has no objection. Okay. In view of the prayer is about in view of the above, this bail application is dismissed with liberty as prayed for. Okay.
Lordship, with a liberty to file press.
Yes, liberty to file press. Please pray. Yes, item 13, yes.
The pleading counsel.
Extra copy furnished by the counsel for the petition after. leading counsel is out of station.
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah, Your Honor, kindly this matter may be listed on 26th, that's on Monday, of this month, 26th of this month.
On the prayer of Mr.
H. Thai.
Yes. The Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Mato Kato.
No, Your Honor, H. Barwa.
H.
Barwa,
For the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed on
26th of June.
26th.
May, this month.
26th May. Okay.
And interim may be continued, Your Honor.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue to the next stage. Okay.
Keep your budget.
This one? 13. Okay, sorry. Yes. You have already filed? Yes, sir. As per the record, affidavit not yet filed. No? Affidavit not yet filed. When did you file? This week itself. This week itself. But on record, it hasn't come. Okay. Miss? Yes. He? Yes. Motion, Learned Counsel for, you are for respondent. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that she has filed affidavit in opposition. However, the same is not on record. Some state law, I have okay. No objection? Yes. This, what is this matter about? This is for? Okay. This court has directed to file affidavit. This is quashing petition. Just a minute, sir. It's not a joint petition. And you represent Amarnath. Yes. Amarnath is the informant who filed complaint. Dinesh? No. How can Dinesh Ray be the petitioner? How can the Dinesh Ray, the petitioner, can be the complainant? Here is the petition. He's a petitioner, but he is accused, I think. He must be accused. Yes. You are complainant and you have no objection for withdrawal. What is the section in law? Record was called for. Whether record was called for, record is also there. Okay, just a minute, right? What is the allegation? Let us see this. Charles Friend, pending before which court? Isya. Okay, let us see what is the allegation against. Charles Friend under what section? Under section 380. Yes. Now the case has already been charge sheeted. FIR cannot be quashed now. Case already now with due respect and from this one. Okay.
As per last order sheet, respondent has been asked to file settlement agreement in affidavit form.
You have filed?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed my affidavit.
What will do? Just okay. Miss?
Y Singhi.
Y?
Singhi.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. I have also heard Mr. G. Tado, Learned Additional PP for the state respondent number 1. And Miss? P. Mosang, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the
Respondent 2.
Respondent number 2. Start, para. what you do is call for the affidavit filed by the respondent. Okay, we'll dispose of this. I think nothing, it appears, because it's a storing of the individual's property that was box, trunk. And then since they have already settled, even the charge also fine, this can be disposed of. Okay, yes, we'll dispose of. So, ask for that, and with that record, we'll dispose of. Okay, let me just take some fact. There is already one. Anyway, we'll dictate inside. So you ask for that record. Record she has filed. Are you sure that you have filed affidavit?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
A copy देखो दो.
Okay, okay. Copy is available there. Okay, this is your copy. Okay. Okay. Just a minute, just a minute. Amarnath is the respondent, number 2. Mutual agreement. Yes, Tara, it is here. We can dispose of. Okay, we'll dispose of on the basis of the record. Okay. Chamber. Last item, we'll finish it then. Okay, we'll dispose of. Allow your petition, dispose of. No, let it. Okay.
Your Lordship, I have submitted Wakalatnama for respondent number 1 to 4.
You're appearing for the first time?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Ahmed.
I'm at the council for council for the petitioner. Miss
A. Rai,
A. Rai, would appear on behalf of the respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4 by filing Wakalatnama. Have you received the copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have received the copy. Okay. And then praise for some time. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, there's an
Whether
inquiry-
record was called for in the case?
No.
Record was not yet called for. Whether record may be required, I think the record would be necessary.
Yes.
What is this case about? You have,
Yeah,
yes, what is this case?
my lord,
about?
actually,
Hmm.
earlier there was a cover in which it was decided that based on Bogumboka rules, it was decided that the case is not maintainable.
Hmm.
After 3 days, again, they filed another complaint to the same head Gambura. Then the head Gambura, in spite of taking up dismissing the case,
Hmm.
saying that it has been already adjudicated, he forwarded the matter to the another head Gambura. So
Okay.
another head Gambura issue Parwana, we challenge
Then
them
another, then the record would be available with whom then?
with the new head Gambura Pobdu village,
Whether the Gambura.
where the
from
case has
one
been
Gambura-
transferred.
One
Yes.
Gambura forum to another Gambura forum, they used to transmit the.
Yeah, he
records,
transmit, he just transmit the complaint, not the record.
Not the record.
Yes.
And then can we call the record then?
Yeah, in that case, Your Honor, my lord, we have to call records from 2 head Gamburas. Another who provided and
Which
another
one?
who received.
Are they the respondents?
Yes, I've made them respondent. Respondent number,
Then let see, let them appear, Okay, if there is any dispute, if yes,
Yes.
the record is available here, can dispose on the basis of the record available here. Or if they come and dispute in the next stage, then we'll call for, because records, you're directing to Gamburas to furnish the records would be, without knowing the fact where it is, it will be difficult.
3 and
now.
4.
Okay. Okay, list this matter after 4 weeks.
No, there is an interim.
Okay, stop that. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Of life.
DP.
Finished, no? Okay.